Hey guys, this is Calculus Family. In this lesson, I'll be taking you through vector function reparameterization. I have a problem here to explain the concept to you. So you say where on the curve r of t given as 2t, 3 sine 2t, 3 cos 2t, are we, after traveling for a distance of pi root 10, all on 3? So we are trying to find the exact point on a particular curve after traveling a certain distance. Hence, you can see this is an application of what? Arc length. Okay, arc length. In our previous videos, we've gone through arc length, how to find arc length functions. If this is the first time you are visiting this channel, please do what to subscribe and make sure you visit the previous video to understand arc length and arc length functions. So now we need to know the exact point we are after traveling for this distance using this curve, right? So the very first thing you do is to find your arc length function. Okay, so we need our arc length function. The reason why we need our arc length function is that you cannot find the exact arc length since you have not been given any interval. Okay, so you find the arc length function given as s of t, which is equal to integral from 0 to t, then the length of our tangent vector r of t dt. So once you have this down, you are good to go. Okay, so what do? You simply have to find, sorry, this is r prime of t. Okay, you simply have to find your tangent vector r prime of t, which is going to give us the derivative of 2t is 2. The sine 2t gives us 6 cosine 2t. Then this gives us negative 6 sine 2t, like this. Then you can see clearly we find the unit, right? So the length of that is r prime of t is going to give me a long square root. Then we take the square of each component. So 2 squared plus 6 cosine of 2t squared plus negative 6 sine of 2t squared. Okay. So once you have this, then it means that we can say this is going to give me 2 squared is 4 plus 36 cosine squared 2t plus 36 sine squared 2t, right? So I have this expression down, and this should simply give me square root of 4 plus 36, which is equal to square root of 40, right? And square root of 40 will simply give us 2 root 10. Now we have our arc length function s of t to be equal to 2 root 10. Then we integrate from 0 to t dt, okay? So we simply have 2 root 10 t, right? Putting 0 to t inside will give us 2 square root of 10 t. Nothing changes. Good. Now we have 2 square root of 10 t down. Then what else are you going to do? Here is where the reparameterization comes in. We need to find the exact point we are after covering a certain distance, right? So we are going to make t the subject. So we already know s of t is given as what? 2 root 10 t. Making my t the subject, I have t, a function of x, to be equal to s over 2 root 10. Okay, so I have t, a function of s, is s over 2 square root of 10. So this is where the reparameterization comes in. Then what do? We go back to the function given in the question, right? You have 2t, 3 sine 2t, 3 cos 2t. Wherever you see t, we replace it with our function here, right? Sorry, with the reparameterization here. I'm going to have my function, which is r of t, but now becomes r of t of s, okay, to be given as 2t. So 2, the t now becomes s over 2 root 10, comma 3 sine the same 2t becomes s over 2 root 10, right? Then I have comma 3 cosine 2t, which is s over 2 root 10, right? I close it. So once I have this done, I simply have to simplify further. Okay, t of s given as 2 will cancel 2. I'll simply have s over square root of 10, comma I have 3 sine So 2 will cancel 2 again. I'll have s over square root of 10, comma 3 cosine of the expression, s over root 10, like this. Now, once you have this, you are done. So from the question, we are asked to find, after traveling a distance of what? Pi root 10 on 3. Please, this is the s, okay? This is the s. We've been given the distance covered. So we've been given pi root 10 on 3. So you say that s is equal to pi root 10 all over 3, right? Wherever I see s, I put that there. So I have my r of t of pi root 10 on 3 be given as, I'll have pi root 10 on 3 all over root 10, right? Comma 3 sine of the expression. I'll have pi 10 over 3, right? All on root 10, comma 3 cosine of the expression. Pi root 10 over 3 all on root 10. Then I close it. Hence root 10 cancel root 10. And I'll simply have the expression of pi over 3, comma 3 sine pi over 3, comma 3 cosine pi over 3. So at this point, what do we get? We have pi on 3. What is sine pi on 3? We simply get 3 root 3 over 2, comma 3 over 2. As simple as that. So this is the point we are after covering the distance pi root 10 on 3 on the function given. And that is all for this video. Do also subscribe and please don't forget to share.